Today I'll be making this Italian grinder sandwich. So this is how I'll be making. We are going to start with our vegetables. So get onion, tomato, iceberg lettuce. I cut these veggies up. Now we are going to start on the grinder mixture. So I added mayonnaise, red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, Parmesan cheese. Set aside. Now in a different bowl, add all your veggies. Now make sure that we coat the onion and the lettuce in the sauce. Now we are going to start working on a bread. You can use French bread or whatever bread you want. I'm using keto buns. So I'm adding my cheese. You can use whatever cheese you have in the house or you prefer. I toasted it. I put it in the oven at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Add your grinder mixture. Now I'm going to be adding sliced tomatoes. I'm using deli turkey cold cuts. You can also add salami. I was out of it. Also pepperoni, which I'm adding now. And there, it's almost done. Not only it looks so good, it tastes so good too, guys. Do give a try.